Alright, thank you everybody and welcome to the latest edition of Business Talk. And we have a very special show for you today. We actually have 5 accountants from 5 big-time firms in the greater Los Angeles area, and they're here today to talk to you about majoring in accounting at CSUN. So stay tuned, everybody. Welcome back, everybody. The first guest to join us today is Nawaf. Nawaf is actually a head accountant at Ernst & Young. And what Nawaf is going to do today is tell all you students out there a little bit about what accounting is, generally speaking.
Well, thanks for having me here. To start off, accountants play an important role in the operation of every business. According to Investors World, accounting allows a company to analyze the financial performance of the business and look at statistics such as net profit.
So, Nawaf, basically what you're saying is an accountant plays an important role in the company's health, so to speak?
Yes, Ara. Accounting is the foundation of a business financial health. Let me elaborate a little bit on that. Accounting is a tool that every business uses to account for either services offered, products sold, or even projected earning. Accounting is not limited to the business world alone. We live in an era of accountability, where an individual must keep count for their income and tax return.
All right, thank you, Nawaf, for that wonderful information into what accounting is. And now we're going to have Paul from Deloitte, who's going to give all you CSUN students a little insight as to where accounting came from, the history of accounting.
Thanks, Aaron. I love your show, by the way. I watch it at home. I'm honored to be here. Well, for those of you who are interested in the Renaissance period and are fans of Leonardo da Vinci, you'd be surprised to know that father of accounting was one of Leonardo's students, Luca Pacioli.
So, how are Luca Pacioli and accounting exactly related?
Well, Pacioli's biggest contribution was actually laying down the foundation for the concept of double entry bookkeeping, such as debits and credits, something we use in everyday life. For example, when we go to the bank and deposit money, the teller tells us that we credited our account. That basically means that the bank is now liable to pay us back the money in the future. Leonardo taught Pacioli proportion in exchange for Pacioli calculating the amount of bronze needed for one of his paintings.
Thanks for all that interesting information, Paul. I'm sure none of our viewers knew about that. And thanks for watching my show. I hope you keep watching even after this episode. Now we have Brandon with us, and Brandon's actually the department chair at CSUN for accounting. And what Brandon's going to talk to you guys about is the requirements needed to be in the accounting major and the GPA you need to maintain.
Thanks, Ari. I'm glad to be here today. Accountancy at CSUN is a very competitive major. In order to filter out students who aren't serious about accounting, certain requirements must be met. First, a student must declare a pre-accountancy major and take the remedial classes with a minimum grade of B in Accounting 220. After completion of the remedial classes, those students with 3.0 GPA and higher become eligible to apply for Accounting 350, which is the last prerequisite to declaring for the accountancy major.
So once a student has successfully completed all those requirements, what do they do after actually declaring for the accounting major?
Once declared, the student will have to complete the upper division accounting requirements, such as Accounting 351 and 352. Students must get a C and above in all their upper division coursework. To get more information on accounting major requirements, I suggest our viewers visit the accounting section on the Cobae website.
I hope our viewers found that information very resourceful. Next, we have Raymond, and Raymond is a corporate accountant at Chase. And what Raymond's going to do is talk about some of the skills that you learn by majoring in accounting.
Thanks, Sarah. I would love to share with our viewers some of the skills developed with being an accounting major. In general, majoring in accounting will equip you with the expertise to handle various areas of business. Accountants have the skills to prepare financial information in order to share it with stockholders, lenders, and the management of a company. Accounting majors will also gain the general skills of being able to analyze and summarize data.
So Raymond, how do those skills acquired by being an accounting major help others?
Well, Ara, by preparing complex financial statements, accounting majors gain the necessary skills to educate others in order for them to analyze if a firm is profitable to invest in or not.
Alright, thank you, Raymond, for that quality information. Next, we're going to have Susie, our final guest, and she is an accountant at PwC. She's going to explain to our viewers about the different career options available to accounting majors.
Thanks, Ara. I'm here to talk about jobs opportunities. And according to the American Institute of Certificate Public Accountants, 91% of accounting firms expect hiring to increase or at least remain the same. If you are a college student searching for a major, it would seem wise to pursue a degree in accounting. The opportunities to that degree can provide you might be endless. You might find yourself working for a large accounting firm or even owning your own private small-scale CPA firm. You might also become a CEO or a CFO, or just about any company being that accounting is the backbone of business. It is safe to say you cannot go wrong with a degree in accounting.
I want to thank all of our viewers for tuning in today. I would also like to thank all of our distinguished guests. Till next time, this was Business Talk with Armanatsagan.